Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of innovative products. Today, we've got something truly revolutionary on our hands, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. Let me tell you, folks, this isn't just any ordinary vacuum and mop combo. This is the best Roomba vacuum and mop available in the market. Now, before we delve into the nitty-gritty details, let me give you a quick overview of what makes this product stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk about convenience. With the Auto Empty Dock Pure, this bad boy can clean for up to 7 weeks without you even having to lift a finger. That's right, no more manual emptying of the dustbin every time it's full. And with its whopping 4,200 pascals suction power, this thing can tackle even the toughest messes with ease. Whether it's pet hair, crumbs, or dust, the Q7 Max Plus has got you covered. But wait, it gets even better. Not only does it vacuum, but it also mops. That's right, folks, you can say goodbye to dirty floors because this little powerhouse can do it all. And thanks to its PreciSense litter navigation, the Q7 Max Plus creates precise maps of your home, ensuring that no corner goes untouched. Plus, with the ability to set no mop and no-go zones, you can keep it away from areas you don't want it to clean. But perhaps my favorite feature of all is the long-lasting battery life. With up to 180 minutes of runtime, this thing can cover a massive area on a single charge. Alright, folks, I could go on and on about how amazing the Roborock Q7 Max Plus is, but I think you get the idea. If you're in the market for a top-of-the-line robot vacuum and mop combo, look no further. This is the one you've been waiting for. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Be sure to smash that like button if you found this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Until next time, happy cleaning!